Literally just sat down right as I was trying to film you. Come on, man. Why you gotta be like that? Why you gotta be like that? What's this? What's this?
Oh, where is that?
He looks like a mole on camera. Did you hear that Beckett impersonation?
That was actually perfect.
I know. I don't think he likes the camera. He looks pretty scary. You look scary. Okay. You look so scary. I've never seen him sit like this before. He's like a perfect circle right now. Oh, you ruined it, buddy. You ruined it. Look at this. He's literally a perfect circle. What you doing? So what did we just do?
We just went to the tattoo shop because Eliza had to get her tattoos. You like moving me to
No, I was trying to zoom out, but then I accidentally
get her back tattoo touched up, and she got 2 new ones on her ankle
and on my butt. No,
and
just kidding. Yeah,
I did not get anything.
Except for your teardrop tattoo.
Yikes! I didn't kill anyone.
You can't see them right now. But
oh, found it.
They are on my ankles. You want to get a bloody shot of my back?
Yep. Ready for this, people? No, actually, it looks like fine.
Yeah, I figured it wouldn't.
It's not that bloody at all.
Oh,
yeah.
But it's kind of bloody.
Woo, woo. I almost dropped. No, it's not too bad. I mean, here, let me look at it up close.
That's Queen. Queen. Oh, well, Queen. She ain't wrong. What you giggling about, huh?
Star Wars one.
Oh my goodness. So you're not gonna show it to me?
Well, I didn't think you would appreciate it that much.
I like Star Wars. Oh, I don't get it.
What's the story I just told you about?
Huh?
The story I just told you about the gorillas? The gorilla that got shot?
Makes sense. Oh, when you're old. Oh, shite. Ew.
That could have been on.
I know. Just the way she looks when she's running.
Because she got like gear.
True. Here. When you running from that deal.
Ooh,
Oh, when you get caught by that deal. Uh-oh.
You can't do it. We both know it. The sun's going down, Jon Snow.
Oh my god, it's so romantic.
You're talking over.
Did you pull a knife on me in the night?
LOL.
What's the matter? Don't be the first time you press your bone against a woman's ass.
Let's move.
Moment.
It's the first time. How old are you, boy?
I'm a man of the Night's Watch.
You're a boy who's never been with a girl.
At me next time.
Don't your stones start to hurt if you're born with a get-go?
Don't call them that.
Or stones? Or bones?
Neither. Both.